For our Living Forward tip today, I want us to look at gratitude and showing gratitude for those who are in charge of our mental, physical, and spiritual health. First of all, let's show gratitude for those who are looking out for our physical health, those healthcare providers who are on the front line and helping us to navigate our way through this coronavirus. Many of them are doing so without having the supplies they need, without the tools they need, and having to consider their own health. And we want to show gratitude to them. And we want to show gratitude also for our government officials who are also looking out for our health and our well-being. They're making really hard decisions, and we want to lift them up in prayer as they look out for all the citizens. And then for those who are looking out for the mental health of our children, the teachers, they're looking at new and uncharted waters, many of them, by doing online schooling and trying to figure out how to teach students in different ways, not all of them having experience and the tools that they need to use to teach their children in this new format. And then going alongside of them are the parents. They are also having to become teachers and coaches and librarians and schedulers and doing things that they had never thought about doing, and perhaps not with the skills and the tools that they need. Let's lift them up in our prayers and give them a word of encouragement and show our appreciation for what they are doing. And then I want us to look at how we can show gratitude for those who are looking out for our spiritual health. Those pastors and worship leaders who are looking at new ways to present the gospel each week. Many of them are doing online services and working with perhaps a limited staff, and they're trying really hard to figure out ways to present the gospel in meaningful and engaging and spirit-filled ways. Let's lift them up in our prayers this week as they work on what they're going to do for us next week. And for those Bible study teachers who are trying to figure out new ways to present their studies to their groups, let's lift them up and give them a word of encouragement. I know as a leader of ministry myself, it means so much to me when I get a note of encouragement, a word of appreciation. It lifts my spirits and encourages me in ministry. Let's find ways this week to show appreciation for our worship leaders and our ministers and our teachers who are presenting the gospel in new ways for us. Send them a note, give them a phone call, or give them a shout out on social media. Let's show our appreciation, our gratitude for them, and that's how to live forward.